Are you tired of spending endless hours trimming down your long screen recordings just to get a few shareable social media clips? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step workflow to instantly transform those long files into viral-ready content using Vizard. Even if you've never touched an AI editing tool before, you're going to be surprised by how simple and intuitive this process actually is. Hi everyone, I'm Kevin, and today we're going to dive deep into making your content production faster than ever. First, let's define what Vizard actually does for your workflow. Think of it as an intelligent digital assistant designed specifically for creators who despise the tedious nature of trimming and chopping footage. The software automatically scans your video to identify the most engaging moments, slices them into perfectly sized clips, and handles the scheduling for you. Whether you are recording tutorials, online meetings, long webinars, or casual interviews, this tool creates snackable clips that are optimized to perform. Why choose this over manual editing or traditional software like Premiere or Final Cut? Traditional editors are powerful, sure, but they have a massive learning curve and are incredibly slow for creating dozens of clips. Other automated apps often miss the actual best moments of your footage or lock you into expensive, confusing pricing models. Vizard focuses on the three core pillars: viral-ready moment selection, automated posting schedules, and a unified content calendar. Everything is built to be fast, easy, and incredibly efficient for your daily output. To get started, simply head to the website and create your account. Because it's a web-based app, you don't need to download or install any heavy, resource-draining software. Once you land on the dashboard, click on New Project and give your creation a clear, organized name. Next, upload your raw video file from your computer. Vizard supports all major formats like MP4 and MOV, and it will immediately begin analyzing your footage. While the file uploads, keep in mind that if you record with OBS Studio, you get the best of both worlds. OBS is fantastic for capturing high-quality screen footage and webcam video simultaneously. Record your session, save the file, and upload that high-quality master into Vizard for the smartest editing results. Once the upload is finished, the AI engine kicks in to analyze your audio and visual signals. The software identifies key moments like laughs, applause, voice spikes, and interesting visual cuts. You'll see a timeline filled with suggested clips that are ready to be reviewed. Don't stress if the first pass isn't 100% perfect, because these suggestions are just the starting point for your creative touch. Let's look at the settings, where you can define clip lengths like short, medium, or long formats. You should also specify your target platforms, like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Selecting the platform is crucial because the app automatically adjusts your aspect ratio and captions to fit perfectly. Now, take a moment to review each auto-detected clip by clicking on the timeline preview. You can easily trim the start and end points, or extend them if you need just a little more context. Adding titles or captions is also done right here, which is a massive time saver for your workflow. Vizard auto-generates these captions, but you should always skim them to ensure industry terms are spelled correctly. One of my favorite features is how the software handles webcam overlays. If your original file has a face cam, Vizard detects it and allows you to reposition or resize that window easily. This lets you keep that human connection in your clips without needing to manually create layers in an editor. Audio management is equally flexible, with options to normalize dialogue and reduce background noise. If you recorded your system audio and your microphone on separate tracks, you can sync them up perfectly. When it comes to exporting, the platform outputs in standard MP4 formats that are compatible with every social network. This saves you from dealing with complicated bitrates or video codecs that can crash your uploads. Now, let's talk about the scheduling feature, which really sets this apart from other tools. You can set an auto schedule to determine how often you post across multiple accounts, making your strategy look seamless. Instead of manually uploading every clip, you just let the application handle the distribution for you. You'll also have access to a content calendar view, which is perfect for planning your feed and seeing how everything looks. If you are working with a team, you can even assign clips to collaborators for review before they go live. For your final export, choose higher resolutions if you are making fast-moving gameplay or high-detail tutorials. For most talking head videos, 1080p at 30 frames per second is the industry standard that balances quality and file size. If you need even more control, dive into the advanced editor, which is entirely non-destructive. Add branded outros, lower thirds, or fades to give your clips that professional polish without complex skills. It is helpful to compare this to other tools like Descript or CapCut to understand where it fits in the market. While others are great for specific needs, Vizard is uniquely positioned to handle batch processing and multi-platform scheduling effortlessly. Before you hit that final export, remember to keep your microphone close for the cleanest voice capture. Also, try to use chapter markers in your recordings if your capture software supports them, as Vizard can read those. Treat the entire process like a pipeline. Record, upload, approve, and schedule. Over time, this routine will help you build a massive library of bite-sized content with very little effort. That is the full run-through of how to turn your long, raw footage into social media assets. If this workflow helped you save time, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creator tips. Thanks for watching. And now, go make something that your audience will love to share.